Welcome, today I am with Motorola Edge 20 Pro and I'll show you all box accessories. So by the way, this original box, it's a very big, it's one of the biggest boxes that I have ever seen in the phones. And I just unpack it, so I'm gonna put it back. And we can find here two things. The first one that we can find in this one, it's some kind of the, USB-C to HDMI cable. It's basically ready for the big screen gaming. It looks like that, so just take a look inside. Let me just open gently. Okay, and it looks like that. So there's the first accessory that we have here. We can plug this HDMI input to our additional device, like for example for our TV. This one we have to plug to our phone, it's the USB-C input. And we can cast media straight to our TV with this connection. That's interesting additional item. Honestly, I never seen something like that before in the smartphones, so that's interesting. And probably for some of you it will be useful, I think. Okay, let me just pack it back, or maybe I'm gonna make it later. And the rest is empty. Probably right here we can find the silicone case, but I don't know. I didn't use to unbox the phones, so I just put it here. And when you go for the rest, in this place we can find this kind of the paperwork. It's user manual and the safety stuff. Here we got this silicone case. There we can find the USB-C cable. It's double USB-C charging brick with the USB-C input, and at the bottom we can find SIM tool. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.